Hello, students. A very good evening. How are you all? I hope so. You all are safe and fine at home. So, I'm Mrs. Rupali. I'd like to welcome you all for today's evening online Zoom session. So, we'll continue with our GK, that is General Knowledge session. So, before I start the new topic, just let's we revise what we learned in the last session. So, in the last few sessions, we learned about the plant quiz. Okay, we discussed the plant quiz with the question and answer. After that, we discussed about the animals quiz. Okay, after that, one activity was given there. So, that activity also we solved. After that, there was a rapid fire. Okay, so we discussed about the rapid fire also. In that, some questions was given, so that questions we discussed with the answers. After that we discussed some amazing facts. Yes, in that we discussed about the turtles, then red ants. Okay, then mm, uh, then strawberries. Okay, etc. After that we also discussed about some historical facts. Okay, now today we'll continue with our new topic. So just open page number 18. All of you open page number 18. So tell me what you can see there. What is the name of the topic, new topic? Our today's new topic is analogies. Yes, today we are going to discuss about analogies. So let's we see. First of all, we'll see what is meant by analogy. So, analogy means likeness or similarity. Analogy means likeness or similarity. Now, let's we see in detail which is given in our textbook. So, in our textbook, there is given an analogy is a partial likeness between two things which are compared. An analogy is a partial likeness between two things which are compared. Now, in detail, we will see the analogy is a comparison made to show how two different things are similar. An analogy is a comparison made to show how two different things are similar, especially in limited ways. Okay, so the example which is given there about the human heart and a pump. Okay, the example which is given here, that is the analogy between the human heart and the pump. Now tell me, what is the analogy in between the human heart and pump? Yes, can you define? Let's see. The human heart always pumps the same amount of blood and it beats at the same speed. Yes, is there the likeness or we can say the relation? Yes, is there the similarity in between the human heart and pump? Yes, yes, because the human heart always pumps the same amount of blood and it beats the same speed. Yes, right now. So, see here, your heart is so sort of like a pump. Your heart is sort of like a pump or two pumps in one. Okay, so the right side of your heart receives blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs, and the left side of the heart does the exact opposite. It means it receives blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the body. Yes, now you got it. Yes, now you got it. How the analogy is between there, the human heart and the pump. Yes, what is the similarity? Okay, let's we see one more example. Now, another example is, see here, kennel is to dog as a stable is to horse. Okay, now we will solve the given exercise. You can see there's some pictures also. so that it will helps you to find the correct answer. Now see the first question. Kid is to goat as a lamb is to sheep. The correct answer is sheep. Write down the correct answer. A kid is to goat as a lamb is to sheep. Now we'll move to the second question. A vase is for flowers. You know the vase? Yes, we can keep the flowers in that. Yes. So that is for flowers. A vase is for flowers as a can is for, yes, a can is used for liquid. A can is for liquid. Okay. So write the correct answer there. Liquid. Now we'll move to the third question. The third question is a bat is for cricket. A bat is for cricket as a curved stick is for, correct answer is what? Hockey. Now here see little bit spelling mistake is there. Okay, the curve, the word curve, it is correctly pronounced as curved. The correct spelling is curved. Instead of a, you have to write there c. Okay, so you know the bat which is used in cricket. Yes, and you know that curve stick. Yes, so that curve stick we used in the hockey. Okay, got it. So the correct answer is what? Hockey. Now, let's we see the fourth question. The fourth question is a ball is for tennis. A ball is for tennis as a shuttlecock is for badminton. Do you know a ball which is used for a tennis? Yes, a ball, a small ball is there which is used in the which game? Tennis. Okay, while playing tennis we use that ball. So you know that shuttlecock. That shuttlecock that is used for a badminton. Yes, we use shuttlecock in which game? In badminton. Okay, so the correct answer is what? Badminton. Okay, now shall I move to the next? Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Question number 5. Now see what is question number 5. Body is to hand as automobile is to, what is the correct answer? Wheel. A body is to hand as automobile is to wheel. So write down the correct answer, wheel. Now we'll move to the next. An aviary, an aviary is for bird. Here again, instead of vase, there is the aviary. Okay, I use that automatic keyboard, so that's why maybe the spelling mistakes happens here. So you correct that word aviary. Okay, so an aviary is for bird as an aquarium is for, yes, the aquarium is for fish. You know that aquarium? Yes, in aquarium we can see the different types of fishes. Yes, so the correct answer is fish. Now the seventh one, we'll move to the seventh question. Glove is used for hand. Glove. You know the glove? Yes, in Corona I think many people used glove. Yes, so glove is to hand as a hat. Yes, hat is, yes, exactly. Hat is to head. Where we keep the hat? Where we wear the hat? We wear the hat on our head. Okay. So the glove is to hand as a hat is to head. Now, question number 8. A snake is to hiss. You know? Yes? The snake. So that snake is to hiss as a pig is to grunt. Yes. So the correct answer is hiss. A snake is to hiss. So write down the correct answer. hiss, as a pig is to grunt. Now the ninth one. See the ninth question. Sheep is to port. Sheep is to port. The answer, write down the answer there. Port. P-O-R-T. Sheep is to port as train is to station. Yes. Where can we see all the ships? Yes. That ships will stand. That is called port. Okay. So ship is to port as a train. Yes, we can see the train where on the station. Okay, so as a train is to station. Now the last one. What is the use of bread? You know all. Yes, bread is used to eat. Yes, bread we can eat. We eat the bread. So bread is to eat as a water is to drink. A bread is to eat as a water is to drink. So write the correct answer there. That is drink. Okay. So here our third topic, that is analogies, is over. Okay. So all of you write down this answer which is highlighted in red in your textbook, GK, that is general knowledge textbook. Okay. Thank you.